Once you have created your React application, the most important thing is to delete the node modules folder. And there are various ways to do this. You can go to the location of your React project, then right click on the node modules folder and delete it. Alternatively, you can delete the node modules folder from VS Code. Firstly, by opening the project in VS Code. So you go to File, Open Folder, find the folder where the React project exists, select the folder, and as you can see it's now open in VS Code, and then open a terminal, and then you can run the command rm for remove node underscore modules, and then type y for yes. As you can see, the node modules folder is now removed, and then you can upload your React application to the applicable GitHub repository. One option is to use the drag and drop feature by clicking on uploading an existing file, and then you can drag and drop the entire React application into the GitHub repository. Once everything has been uploaded, you can then click commit changes and add an appropriate commit message. And there we can see the React project has been uploaded to our repository. The alternative option is to upload it via the command line or via your terminal, and that option I'll be showing you in another video.